Mobile clinics these days come with a lot of equipment, but without power, they're just a fancy storage van. Let's talk about how you can keep your lights on in your mobile unit. When you're planning for a mobile clinic, the first thing that you usually think about is the vehicle. But just as important, it's figuring out how you're actually going to power it. Your clinic is more than just a few lights. You're running refrigerators for vaccinations, diagnostic equipment, laptops, and charging stations. All of that needs steady and reliable electricity. But the truth is, the mobile unit's engine isn't designed to handle that load capacity. So that means if you're relying on just the engine, you'll run out of power very quickly. And that's why your mobile unit needs its own dedicated power source. And for this, you have three main sources of power: solar panel, generator, or shore power. The first and most easiest step is to plug your mobile unit into shore power. You can simply plug it into an outlet plug on the side of the building. This is great for urban mobile clinics that are always near power. Of course, make sure that you have permission to run your mobile clinic off of the building's power. Now let me show you how easy this actually is. Step 1 is to locate the receptacle on the outside of the mobile unit. Next, get an extension cord that's rated for up to 15 amps for exterior use. Simply plug it into the side of the mobile unit, then take the power cord and simply plug it into a power source, which is the building. And just turn the dial to shore power and you're good to go. So what if you're in the middle of nowhere without a building in sight? A generator is a good option for this. Think of a vaccination team driving to a small and isolated community, and the generator will give them peace of mind knowing that their mobile clinic will run wherever they are. The easiest way to get a generator is to add it onto your options list when you're purchasing a mobile clinic. If you're buying one separately, there are some things that you need to know. When choosing a generator that's separate to your mobile clinic, make sure you choose a generator that's 1800 watts or more for a basic mobile unit. Choose one that's easy to move around, and consider noise level, as a quieter generator makes for a peaceful environment. When you purchase a generator that's separate to the mobile unit, make sure you follow all manufacturer's instructions and that you plug it into the shore power on the side of the unit. If you purchase your generator through Avan Mobility, this is a simple guide on how to start your generator. Simply turn the switch to on, put the choke on, and fire it up. And just turn your dial to generator and you're good to go. This generator is hardwired in to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about any additional extension cords. There's additional storage shelf. As you can see, it's locked in a storage box to prevent anyone from stealing it. Solar power is a great option for rural clinics. Solar panels on your mobile unit's roof let you create clean energy during the day. This is then stored in an onboard battery, and this can be used to run your equipment. This is extremely useful if you're in rural areas or you're parked at events where power is very limited. Picture a mobile unit at a summer festival. The solar panels will keep it powered and ensuring that you don't need to plug it in. Flexibility is key here. Most clinics use more than one option. Shore power when they're parked, solar to extend their day, a generator for backup when they're way off grid. So no matter where your team goes, you know that your mobile unit will continue working. But power is just one option of keeping your mobile unit going. Make sure you check out our video on the mobile clinic maintenance checklist. I've linked it up here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We're always here to help.